Hi, it's Peter Tebow, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a stick figure. So what you're going to do is start out by drawing a circle. I'm using a mechanical pencil. Any pencil will be fine. A pen's fine as well. You put two circles a little above the middle of the big circle you drew for the head, and then little half circles inside for the pupils of the eyes. You get the eyebrows, just little curved lines above the eyes, a triangle right in between and just below the two eyes, and you do a big fat U shape and then connect it with a flat line across the top. Add two little half circles there for the smile, a row of teeth, three little hairs, and then for the body, just like this here, a little rectangle, two straight lines going down, his arms here. We'll do, there's his neckline, striped shirt, and here. Sometimes you mess up, and that's why you use an eraser. It's got shorts, and there you have it. You have your very own stick figure.